Well, this is my reflection on written language. Well, I've learned several essential skills or elements for writing an academic essay. Well, I will list some important things I've learned in short. Well, the first one is language style. There's two main points. The first one is hedging, a cautious language to ensure that our statement are true, not exaggerate. A simple method is just use more verb. And the second one is strong verbs that they have precise meaning and practically useful for academic writing. And the third point is that citation is important because it makes the essay more persuasive and eloquent. And it's important as we have to cite information from research paper because nowadays we are in university, we cannot fabricate news or facts just like what I did in high school. And I've also learned that passive voice does not means that the writing is academic because previously in the past I was under the stereotype from the HKDSE education that teacher always said that using passive voice can ensure the essay is is formal, and also I know that academic writing is a formal writing, so I thought these two things are equivalent, but it's false, and so now I know it. And what the feedback after I read the feedback feedback received from the teacher, and I learned something that I should be aware of the context because different contexts have to use different appropriate language, and I thought is I make some mistake on my writing that I thought it's just a discussion between teacher and student. So I write it a bit informal, just like I wrote on a side note in one of my sentence. It make my sentence not formal. And I think I should use more strong words when expressing ideas, especially in academic writing, because I usually use around few words to express an idea. And after I read the feedback, I found that it actually can substitute by one strong verb, and therefore my sentence exists a lot of unnecessary verbs which make the essay a bit chaotic and not organized. And in order to make my essay more furious and organized, I think I have to try to use strong words as much as possible. And the problem is that I think of some useful strong words, but I just don't know. I just don't want to take risks with difficult language because there are many rules involved in using a verb like I have to distinguish whether the verb is transitive or intransitive. So instead, I use simple language for safety. And I think the factor that lead to this problem is that maybe I'm a bit lazy. That I found that checking each word takes a lot of time, as my English is very bad. That and such that I might have not enough time to do hours in university. So I will change my habit the, to spend more time to check words while I'm writing the essay. And I think it's doable. And also I can learn some strong words at the same time as I'm writing. I'm applying it at the same time. And I think it's beneficial for academic writing. And I will try to change my habit, and I hope I can make progress. And thank you.